It was such a blessing to go through this process. My first day, I stumbled. I thought it was 5 minutes, and I had papers all over the place somehow. They became a mess, and I was like, oh my God, this lady's going to think I'm just a lunatic. And we took that. And that was the stepping stone, the foundation for being able to create this message. And so what's happened because of this, I got asked to speak in Southern San Diego a few weeks ago. And as I was speaking, I took all the stuff. I was watching the audience, and I took all the stuff, the pausing and this and the stuff, and focusing on the we and the us and all that stuff. And I got to tell you, it was the first time in 30 years. As soon as I was done, 3 people in the audience stood up. It was a pretty big audience, and within 10 seconds, I had 300 people standing, giving me a standing ovation. And it was the first time ever in my life. And it was because the entire speech, I just kept saying, what did Sharon say? What did Sharon say? What did Sharon say? While I was going through my stuff. And last weekend, I participated in a pitch contest across America, and I ended up as a semi-finalist using this same pitch that we just did here. So, and yesterday, I don't know what happened. I woke up and I got all these emails to be on shows and whatever from people that judge this thing. So I'm feeling amazingly blessed that that you tweaked this. And the biggest thing that I got was the amount of caring that you as a coach gave to each one of us. As I sat online listening, and you worked with each one of us to get us the message. And the cool thing is from what I got out of this is the subject that I picked, the book You're Dying Not to Write, which is about the thing you're not willing to do to advance yourself. I'm getting tons of wonderful feedback from, so I'm glad that you helped me to hone this thing and to a place where I have that signature pitch now, and can take it and do other things with. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the future holds. But thank you for being the gal that was honest enough to say, you know what, I'm not going to let these people fail. I'm gonna hit them over the head with the 2x4, even when they don't want it, because I know when they get awake from this unconsciousness, they'll realize that I actually love them and I want the best for them. And that's what I get out of this. So thank you so much.